Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to record laptop screen with video and audio. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, we have the option to use Xbox Game Bar or even the built-in Windows snipping tool. Now, if you want more tools, settings for your recording, well, I highly recommend you to use OBS or any third-party recording software. Okay, so OBS, just like what I'm using right here, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and then just find OBS. Okay, hit on enter and then you'll be able to see Open Broadcaster software. So just click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and download it for your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Okay, so I'm using Windows computer. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Windows. And then after that, a download page will pop up. Go ahead and save it wherever you want. I'm just going to save it to the default directory and click on Save. Wait for it. And then once that's done, all you got to do is just click on the installer. Just like this one right here. Once it pops up, just go ahead and click on it, or you go ahead and open up the folder. And then you can go ahead and double click on the installer from here. Just wait for it to load. And while it loads, go ahead and close the browser as we are not going to be needing it anymore. Okay. And by the way, there will be a pop-up. Just click on yes. And in here, just click on next, next, install. All right. Wait for the process to finish. OBS right here is a light recording software. You could go ahead and stream if you want to. Okay. Stream to Twitch, TikTok, YouTube if you want to as well. It's pretty easy to set up. Don't worry, if you don't know how to set up your Twitch, YouTube, or any other social media platforms for streaming, I'm going to make those videos for you. All right. So let's just wait for the process to finish right here. And then once that's done, just click on finish and it will automatically launch OBS. And here we have our shortcut. Now it will ask you, there will be a prompt, optimized for streaming, recording is secondary, or optimized just for recording. I will not be streaming, or you will be just using a virtual camera. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and select the second option, just click on next, or you can just go ahead and close this one and set this up however you want. Now, all you got to do in here is just go ahead and add in some sources. Okay, so it says here, I'm just going to go ahead and maximize this one. So to add in the display, just go ahead and click on the plus sign right here at the bottom left where it says sources. Okay, click on the plus sign and just click on display capture since you wanted to capture your full display. Okay, so just click on OK. Give it a name if you want to, maybe my display, and then just click on OK. And in here, capture method, leave it to automatic or Windows 10. Okay, and display, select the specific display that you wanted to record. For example, this one. All right. So just click on OK. Now to go ahead and add in your microphone, just like this one right here while I'm talking, that is recording. So go ahead and click on settings right here or go to file, click on settings. And here go to audio. Okay. Make sure that your mic or auxiliary audio is selected to the microphone that you wanted to use. Okay. Once that's done, just click on apply, click on OK. Now this one right here is your desktop audio. Okay, if you want to have an audio for your desktop, just amp it up. If not, just move it down. All right. And once that's done, go ahead and start recording and you should be good to go. And that is how you record a laptop screen with video and audio. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.